I'm back. Welcome to the video. I'm sorry I went missing, but just a lot of things happened. I was busy, we can catch up on that later. But now, as you can see, I washed my hair and I thought why not show you what products do I use and recommend something to you if you, I don't know, I thought that's going to be interesting. So first I want to show you new shampoo and hair mask that I'm trying. This is the first time that I tried them. It's these two. I read many very good reviews about them, so we'll see. I hope they're good. So far everything's good. I also read a lot of reviews about curly hair, and I already tried them on the boys, and their hair was much easier to brush, which is always a bonus with their curly hair. So I like them for their curls. Their curls even stay defined longer, so that's good. We'll see with my hair. After I use the shampoo and the hair mask, I like to use this on my hair scalp. All the moms know that after giving birth, the amount of hair that you're losing is insane. That's normal, of course, and your hair does grow back after this, but it kind of gets scary at some point when you look at the hair, the amount of hair that is falling out of your head. So I'm doing this. I can say that it is helping me so far. It's still falling a lot, but I can also see a lot of new, can you see, like new hair growing, so that's good. You rub it well into the scalp, and it kind of gives that warm feeling, like warm but cold at the same time. It's very interesting. I'm a huge fan of the Davines brand. As you can see, I'm using a lot of their things, and I've been using their shampoo and conditioner for quite some time now, but I kind of felt like I want to try something different and new, just to change it up a little bit. So that's why I'm trying the L'Oreal. After this, I use this. Okay, if you take one thing from this video, trust me on this one, it is golden for my hair and the boys' hair. We ran out of it and I washed Marcus' hair without it. First it was harder for me to detangle it, and also his curls, in the moment his hair dried, his curls just got super puffy and not like this nice defined curl. So this definitely works wonders on the hair. Mine too, I love it, it makes it so soft and smooth. After this, I spray some hair, it's called Hair Shield, but this is for, it's heat protecting spray, this one. If you have some other recommendations about different brands or something that you use and you love, I'm open to try something new. Oh, okay. I'm open to try something. It is very important to use a heat protecting spray, in my opinion. But yeah, this is my second bottle. I don't know, does it work? I guess it does, but like I said, I can try something else. The way I style my hair is with the Dyson. This is the best purchase that I made for my hair. Ever since I got it, I've been using it every single time when I wash my hair. I don't always curl my hair though. The wand, I don't use that. I usually use this brush and I kind of just straighten my hair. That works very fast and good for me, so I kind of prefer it on the day-to-day basis. So okay, I think that's pretty straightforward. I just blow dry my hair. As you can see, it's not completely dry. It is a little bit damp, but that's good. Then I get the brush. I like to section my hair in 3 parts, and now I just brush it down. Okay, wait, I need to show you. Can you see? Wait, do you see all that hair? You can kind of see it. Look how short that is. Yeah. This is postpartum hair for you. After I'm done blow drying my hair, which literally takes me 5 minutes, it's that fast, I like to use the Gisou hair oil on my ends. You need a very small amount, like and that was my hair care routine. Simple and fast.
What are you doing?
It's time to make dinner with this young lady. Dinner? Okay. That doesn't want to be put down. So now she's going to be helping me. She just turned 6 months old. Look how big she is and look how chunky she is. For dinner, though, the kids want some soup. They have been obsessing with soup and avocado sandwich. So that's what they want. I'm going to make some pumpkin soup. Whoops. And for us with Jason, I saw this salad on Instagram that looks so good with all kinds of greens and quinoa and chickpeas and just looks yummy. And that's the food that makes me so happy. I love that type of healthy food. I'm actually craving healthy food. And yesterday when I went to the store, I saw that I had some kale. They haven't been having it for quite some time now, so when I saw her have kale, I was like, yes! Super excited, I love kale. The secret is to cut it fine and to massage it with some olive oil and some lemon and salt. That makes it easier to eat and digest. So, that's what's going to be for dinner. Soup and good, healthy, big, nutritious salad. Let's get into it. It's pretty early in the day. Well, early, I mean, it's 4:30 probably. We usually try to eat by 6 o'clock. Does it always happen? Not really, but we're trying. So the intention is there. So let's get started. Let's get started, little tanky girl. I love you so much. I might have to put her in the bag, in the baby bag. She hasn't been sleeping all day. Like, I don't know what type of baby she is, but she doesn't sleep throughout the day. At night, she's an angel. She's sleeping a lot. She's an angel during the day too. She's smiling all the time. She's so sweet. Oh, she's sleepy. You want to sleep, but you also want to see. You're curious. At least I can put the quinoa for the salad, and we'll see how it's going to work with the cutting. Let's try and attempt cooking with one hand. morning. I'm on my way to the facial, which I love. I'm looking forward to it every month. This is my ultimate self-care. We're doing a hydrofacial. Of course, oh, the sun is so bright. You're kind of limited to what you can do when you're pregnant or breastfeeding, which that's what I'm doing, I'm breastfeeding. So, hydrofacial it is. Why did I not take my sunglasses with me? I don't know. But anyway, I promised you that I'm going to give you a little heads up on why I went missing for so long. And the reason is that I had a very big project that I had to finish, and all of my time was going there, all of my so-called free time, if you can even say that you have a free time. But I really had to concentrate there, so I didn't have time to vlog, which it's easier for me to take the videos, but the editing, that takes longer. So that's why I went missing. And I'm really going to try my best to bring you along for everything from now on, even when I do have, like, you know, projects, which basically is all the time. So if I want to bring you along, I'll have to find a way to do it regardless of my work. So I'm going to try my best. I can't make any promises, but I'm going to try my best to be more consistent, because I really enjoy uploading videos. I really enjoy looking back at them. I think it's a great memory even for the kids. So yeah, I really enjoy. This is like a artistic. What was the word? Well, I forgot the word. I don't know. I just had it in my mind. Anyway, I have a little confession to make. I'm not sure I love the hair shampoo and hair mask that I showed you yesterday. I had very high hopes for it, but I feel like, my hair is soft. My hair is naturally soft. It's not really damaged. This is my natural hair color. I don't use a lot of heat on it, so I really try to take good care of my hair. And for some reason, it's not as soft as it usually is. So I guess that's going to be from now on Marco and Noah's hair care routine, because it worked really good on their hair, which is okay. But when I find something that works, I don't like to experiment when it comes to skin or hair. Like, I'm interested in trying new things, but at the same time, when I find something that works, I stick to it. So I think I'm going to go back to my Davines hair care, the same series of the all-in-one milk that I showed you. That series is really good. I love it on my hair. It makes it so smooth and shiny and silky and soft, and that's what I want. After the facial, I need to go run some errands, stop at a few stores, go to a few delivery spots to collect some orders, which I'm planning to show you, to see what I ordered. I think it's very interesting. I'm excited to see it myself too. Let's go to the facial and we can talk again later. I'm back from the facial. I have all the boxes here with me. I just put Noah to sleep. She again doesn't want to sleep, so she's going to be helping me opening everything that I got, so I can show you the random things around the house when you have kids. A little backstory though before I start opening the things. I don't know if it's the season of life that I'm in, but I feel that desire and urge and motivation to basically be the best version of myself that I could be, for myself, for my kids, for my husband. So I'm very motivated to work out. I feel great. I'm super consistent. I want to eat good food, nourish my body, and I feel amazing. So everything that I'm going to show you here are pretty much supplements that I did my research and I thought that it might be good to add to our everyday diet. First we have collagen. Keep in mind that those are supplements that I'm going to take and Jason too. He feels the same way as I do. So we're in this like health kick. So I got the Neo sale. I think from what I know this is one of the best, if not the best collagens on the market. It has vitamin C too. So that's pretty, I think everybody knows collagen is good for you. You want to see? You want to see? Next in this box, this is probiotic. Supports gut health, boosts immunity, supports healthy aging and longevity. So we have 3 boxes of the same. You want to open this?
I see it.
You want to see it? This is a little side thing, it's not supplement. This is acidic bonding concentrate by Redken. This is like a serum, a day and night serum. I was going back and forth between this one and the Kerastase one, but I decided to try this, and next time I can try the Kerastase. So it strengthens, repairs, hydrates, shine, protection, balance, a lot of things. Let's see. It smells nice. Let's open this. She is very drawn to this one particular bag. So here we have 4 boxes. This is sprouted and fermented superfoods. They have different kinds. Each one supports the health of, the woman or the man. You can add them to juice, water, smoothie. And let's open your box, little girl. This is Daily Greens. Now this I'm very excited to try. It has 59 different fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, herbs, enzymes, prebiotic, probiotic, collagen, and wheat. So you take one of these in the morning, you put it in water, and you start your day with that. So it has a lot of things, like it has ginger, cinnamon, kale, spirulina, kurewas, spinach, broccoli, cabbage, avocado, apple, banana. I'm very excited to try these. That's it, guys. This is my little haul. Let me know if you're interested in anything and I can give you a feedback. Good morning! We had a busy, very productive morning. As you saw, I did my workout, I took a shower, and now I'm doing my little skincare morning routine. And I thought while I'm doing this, might as well try for the first time with you and do a little taste with the Daily Greens, the supplement that I showed you yesterday. So I haven't tried it yet. I was waiting for you so we can try it together. You want to try it? Okay, let's see.
Coco?
It's good. Try it. Marco, come try it.
No.
It tastes like a green apple. Wow, it tastes very fresh. It tastes healthy. That's the exact taste. Healthy and good. Come try it. Try it. Do you like it? You want to try it? Okay, Marco is saying that it tastes like candy. I don't think it tastes like candy, but it tastes very good. So good.
Yeah.
Let me see. Thank you. We're out on a little walk with the kids and the weather is amazing. It is so sunny, it's beautiful. I'm such a happy person when the sun is out. I can't wait and I'm looking forward for spring, for summer. But yes, it's very, very nice. As you can hear, can you hear? The birds, the quietness, beautiful. But yes, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. Have a lovely day and see you soon.